Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Someone told me to look at a video. I'm not gonna name him because I don't want to give him viewership, and he doesn't upload often anyways. But despite that fact, someone made a video calling AITX a scam. People are speculating that that's what caused the stock price to dump. But that video only got like 700 views. So unless 700 people had a lot of money in this and decided to dump it, causing the share price to fall to where it is now at sitting right at 0.004. I highly doubt that. Look, if anything, I'm gonna say regarding that video calling Aitx a scam, all I'm gonna say is this: A, you should be thankful. I'm thankful. Like, thank you. Please, could you make a video on Nvidia so it can dump half 50%? I want I want Nvidia under 100, please. But second of all, this is more than likely going to come down to doubles or threes, which is like I've been pounding the table on that. I'm telling you, I changed my game plan as well because I'm like, you know what, this looks like it's going to drop some more. So let's buy our biggest position, not 60% of our position, 80% of position down here at 0.003s. So you got to thank this guy. Thank you for making this video that caused the stock price to finally just come on down now. Come down. Like the people that sold off because of that video, good riddance. Get him out of here. I don't care about you. Don't want you. Get out of here. Get out of here if you sold based off of that one video from some guy on YouTube, like me, basically. But we know better. We know better, and that's all I'm gonna say. Just be thankful for the opportunity. Bring it out. I hope he makes another video and brings it out. Hopefully, more people sell and get those people that are selling. Get them out of here who don't believe in the company. Get them out of here. I don't need longs that yeah, I don't need longs that aren't actually longs. I need longs that are actually going to hold and keep us up above 30 or 20, whatever. I need real longs that keep this at a floor. Let them sell, let them get out. I'll buy my biggest position. This is nothing more than an opportunity, and that's all I'm going to say regarding that. I don't really watch other people's videos. That's a waste of my time. I could just make my own video instead of watching someone's 23-minute video saying that AITX is a scam. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't know if it's a scam or not. I just like what the company's been doing. The CEO is transparent, a lot more transparent than a lot of CEOs out there, let's be real. And they're doing all the right things. We know what their game plan is going into 2025, 2026. And on top of all that, we know it's bottomed out at 0.002s. So at this point, you should just be thankful that that video, I guess, accelerated the share price to the downside, and that's good. I prefer penny stocks when they just drop fast. This slow bleed effect here on AITX is I kind of hate it because it takes forever. It can take a month for it to finally come down to my level, and hey, anything that accelerates that, thank you. Please give me cheapies. I love, we're cheapskates in the stock market. I want my favorite companies at cheap prices, so I'm okay with this. And that's all I'm going to say regarding that. Love the GoldenEye reference. LOL. Need to blow off the dust off my 64. Dilution is killing the stock momentum. It's hurting the stock so badly. Anthony Rose here. Like I said, see this as an opportunity to buy your favorite stock at cheap prices. I'm going to stick with that. Whether you're a long or a swing trader, it just benefits you to be able to load your favorite stock at a lower share price. Ultimately, if you truly believe in the company, it's nothing more than an opportunity. Like, wait, I get to load up AITX cheaper? Thank you very much. What, I get to load up Nvidia even cheaper at under 100 ideally? Bring it down to $50, please. Hell, bring it down to $1 so that when it goes to 100, I can make 100x because that stock is capable of that. It is capable of going up 10x and 100x over a 20-year span, even more than 100x. But yeah, that's all there is to it. The people have spoken. Shareholders build a company as well. Steve needs to respect the shareholders. AITX needs momentum. Yeah, they haven't dropped any PRs, which is interesting because they normally drop about 10 PRs a month. So I wouldn't be surprised if they're holding off on a lot of things and they're just going to drop something big either towards the end of June or in July, because they do normally drop about 10 PRs a month. We did the math, so it's kind of interesting that they haven't dropped anything. Either way, we know that without PRs, the stock price just tends to bleed, and that's why we're here. We're almost at 003s like I expected. Um, so I'm gonna add there. I hope it drops Monday. Like, give me 003s, and then from there you can skyrocket again on the next hot PR. Thank you very much. I see what you're saying. The stock goes up, then dilute, but shareholders want to see structure in the stock. 2026 is another year from now. From now, wait, what? From now, shareholders want to. What? This is confusing. Substance growth momentum. If the stock hit 34 cents up with night scope or much higher, then I can see doing a dilution, making make it worth doing a dilution. Uh, yeah, I mean, look, until they stop dilution, which, look, like I said, the CEO is very transparent. He has literally said to your face, he, I'm gonna dilute you. So we saw this coming. Anyone who didn't see this coming, I don't know what would like. If you've been following this stock, it goes up, then it dilutes and it comes down, and we just rinse and repeat. We bottomed out, which is why we're not gonna go lower. Like, we really can't go lower. We can't. Yeah, shareholders are not happy, which is true. I've been keeping track of Aitx Discord. It's kind of just a cycle. There's the euphoria here. Everyone's excited and happy, waking up early in the morning. People are really like communicating in the Discord, and then when it starts dumping, it's real quiet. Not that many people, not much chatting going on. Not that many PRs dropping. People are upset. Like, wait, this PR dropped, and no one's like, there's no reaction in the share price. Why isn't it going up? Oh no, why is 1 cent not? Why are we breaking 1 cent? So it's just a cycle. That's all it is. And now we're coming down. We'll rinse and repeat. That's all this is. So yeah, I'm not concerned. Like, you hear me concerned? I'm not concerned. I'm not crying. I'm not. I have a position at 007 and 0057. I'm in the red on those, but you don't hear me going, oh no. Like, I'm not. I don't know. I just don't have emotions anymore. Like, I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm not even along. This is what's always surprising. If you're along, what the? I can't swear because I just found out that the algorithm kind of you lose money actually. Advertisers don't like swearing or the DEAD word. I have to say unalive apparently now. But yeah, I mean, this stock isn't gonna unalive itself. This is a real company, real revenues. They got Red R. They got a bunch of people signing up. I mean, there's just so much in the pipeline. We know what their focus is this year, which is sales. We know what their focus is next year and then the year after that. So, one step at a time. I think longs just shouldn't even be looking at the share price. Like, unless you're a swing trader, day trader, what do you care? You, like, you shouldn't care as a long about daily fluctuations. You shouldn't. If anything, you should look at the monthly and just be like, oh, looks like we're still, down here, nice and cheap, whatever. You should not be looking as a long. You should not be looking at the share price daily. You're just, especially if you're an emotional person. That would be like Nvidia shareholders looking at Nvidia when it went into that bear market and dumped as low. Where was that bear market? There's that bear market. It dropped as low as $11. So what, 120 somewhere around there after the stock, before the stock split, the forward stock split. Just to be clear, yeah, this was not a time to get emotional and be like, oh no, the sky is falling. But that's what people do. But it was nothing more than an opportunity to buy nice and cheap, and then it went 10x, 12x. So that's all it is, guys. This is if this is happening with Nvidia. Let me put it this way: if this has happened with Nvidia, it's gonna happen with every stock. This is that's just that doesn't matter what the ticker name is. This is the stock market. It goes up, comes down. Once you accept that and you leave emotions out of it, it's nothing more than an opportunity. If you truly believe in the company, you're gonna add. you're gonna be like, yes, not, oh no, I don't understand the next PR. Why isn't it moving? I don't get it. Guys, relax. It's an opportunity. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I think I'm. This is Rambo Sundays, I guess, but it's just people have been messaging me, telling me to talk about that that uh that video calling Aitx a scam. It seems like his whole channel is just based on, hey, Eyeless is a scam. This is a scam. This is a scam. Here's why I think it's a scam. If you're here to make money long term, stick to your guns. Be thankful for the opportunity to buy cheap. If you're a day trader, swing trader, it's just nothing more than an opportunity to buy cheap again. That's it. For it doesn't matter who you are, what you are. If you believe in this, be a cheapskate. Buy at 003s. I'll see you guys in the next one. And happy